Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Umapati and today we'll learn one of the most practical data structure queue. What is a queue? A queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in first out principle. That means the first element added to the queue is the first one to be removed. Let's take a real life example. It's just like people standing in a line to buy a movie ticket. The person who arrives first gets served first. Let's take another real life example. Imagine a passengers waiting in a line to get on a bus. The first person in line gets on first and new passenger joins at the back. In the same way, in programming, the queue ensures fairness and order using the same first in first out concept. These are the four main operations of the queue: NQ, DQ, peak, traverse. NQ means adding the element to the queue. DQ means removing the element from the queue which is at the first. Peak means printing the element that is at the end. And traverse is displaying all the elements. This is the visual representation of the queue. We can see here this is a queue structure. We can add elements at the rear end only and delete the elements from the front side only. As we have discussed before, the real world examples, the first inserted element is 2, so it will be the first one to be removed. The first inserted element is 2, so it will be the first one to be removed. Let's see types of queues. We have simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, DQ double-ended. Simple queue is a standard first in first out order. Elements enter at a rear and exit from front. Circular queue. Rear pointer connects to the back to front, maximizing space efficiency. Priority queue. Higher priority elements are served before lower priority ones. Let's see an action of queue. Let 10, 20 and 30 be the initial elements that are present in the queue. If you want to enqueue an element 40, then it is added at the if you want to enqueue element 40, then it is added at the rear of the queue. And if you want to dequeue, then the front element is deleted. And in the same way again enqueue, the enqueue 50, the 50 is added at the rear end. Queue fundamentals. Queue principle is first in first out as we have discussed, and queue is used in CPU scheduling. That is, it holds the program to be executed in a computer. Real applications essential in scheduling, buffering, print queues, and resource management.